This is my old wallet. As you can see, it's a standard, very old school retro wallet that is made out of leather. It has banknote, it has also some coins, my cards, and it's a hefty thing. This thing here, guys, is the new Mech wallet by Puncube. They sent this thing to me, so in this video I'm going to be reviewing it. And also they sent me something else. Let's try to see what this thing is, but I have a good feeling on this one because it's an accessory for the Mech wallet. What the heck is the Mech wallet by Puncube, guys? It should be nice, it should be slim, and it should be able to fit inside my pocket, holding 5 to 6, probably even more. We're gonna test these cards, and on top of this, also a bifold holder where I can put in some of my coins and some banknotes, and it has also some nice accessories to it, so I can't really wait to unbox this and test it. This product has been sent to me by Puncube, guys, but this video is gonna be my totally own opinion. I'm not a big fan of pop-up wallets like this, and I never use them for a reason, and in this video I'm gonna try to see if I can change my mind around and try to use this in a real life. Let's check. All right, guys, what are we gonna need? So this thing here is the Mech wallet model 8807, designed by Puncube Ltd. This is the Mech wallet additional accessory. And that is my old leather wallet. Honestly, I love this one. It's a bit bulky though, but this is real leather and it has all the scratches of time. Now, what are we going to need to test the Mech wallet? First things first, we're gonna need some cards. So I have some cards here. By the way, all of them expired, but it's very important that I have one with a chip because apparently the Mech wallet should block 100% RFID. Okay, and a lot of wallets out there, they say that they can do this, but I'm going to test it and I'm going to show you how. I'm going to use a phone with an NFC scanner to test if the wallet is really blocking RFID. Card first. Second thing, guys, I'm going to need a banknote. Yep, for me that's very important. I still wear cash, and I know that's old school, but I apparently wear some cash. And third thing, I'm also gonna use a coin, because believe it or not, but yeah, use case scenario, I go to a car wash where I use coins to pay for my car wash. So we have cards, we have coins, we have banknotes, and last but not least, I'm gonna be using this ruler here. Because according to Puncube, they crafted the Mech wallet with a premium aerospace grade metal with a 0.02 millimeters CNC precision. So yeah, let's try to measure and also weight. And first we're gonna be starting with the unboxing. Now, the fact that the wallet arrived in a case like this is a good sign to me, right? Mech wallet, model number 8807. Right, designed by Puncube, and these things here, you know, the thumb is embossed, so let's try to open it. Okay, takes some time. Mech wallet, they're providing some usage guidelines applicable to all the models because yes, there are 3 different mechanical actions. More to this very soon. In situations where your palms are sweaty or the mechanism gets stuck, you can try pushing from the side to open it, and then difficult zone for finger gliding, don't push from the top. Card compression creates friction, making sliding hard. Alright guys, this is very important. According to Puncube, it can take 5 to 6 cards, but it really is important if the card is embossed or not, because if we have a card like this that is embossed, yes, it's going to require more space. Now, let's remove this thing. Ta-da! Puncube. Alright, 2 things here, guys. Let's try to very carefully remove this. This is the Puncube Mech wallet. This is the Wasteland version. Color, guys, it's Black Abyss. It also has Mine, which is like silver, then also Gorge, which is kind of like brown, and then there is a Desert one, which is looking very good. First things first, let's try to weigh this. Alright, 54 grams, one more time. 53 grams, 59.2 millimeters at this side, 99 millimeters at that side, and it's only 8.5 millimeters thick, guys. This is something for sure. Now let's try to appreciate the design, guys. We have a rugged surface here with the Puncube logo. All right, now on the back we have designed by Puncube, guys, and it says material aluminum alloy, guys, which is very, very good. This thing is special. You know why? Well, okay. Let me show you. You can hear it. All right, take a look at this, guys. This is the mechanism. So right now the Wasteland option is using the so-called pinball mechanism that has some kind like a mechanical ratchet inside, and it offers this very nice, very calm click, you know, which is kind of perfect for fidgeting, you know, for stress relief and fun. And if you don't like this, or is way too noisy, there are two more options. The horizon one is a slide one, which features zero resistance, which means it can go from here to like here without any resistance. It's gonna be very smooth, very swift. And a third one, ripples, which uses magnets. All right, so honestly guys, this is the one exactly for me. Now let's check the design, guys. It's really light, it's small. Also, it seems to be really durable. When I unfold it, guys, there's gonna be this arm here. Pay attention, guys, this is the secret. All right, I hope that you can see what happens from the inside. So this is this mechanism that is going to actually put your card. And honestly, this whole fidgeting part seems to be very nice for me. Inside, all right, there was this clip, guys. This looks like stainless steel, guys. It says Mech Wallet. On the back, we have this reusable and easy to remove or reposition, wash and dry to restore thickness. So they're using a kind of a gel that allows you guys to just, boom, stick this like this, and carry your money around. But this is an option that I do not like or prefer. Let's try to check, guys. It's really like there are no fingerprints. So this is true. They're claiming on the side that this thing is resistant to fingerprints, and I think this really sticks. So what about this thing here? Mech Wallet model 8807, guys. All right, let's try to see what we have inside. This is now the good stuff, guys. This is so-called Bifold module. This little thing here allows you to upgrade the Mech Wallet, so you can carry more cash and cards here and also coins. But why Bifold, guys? Okay, let me show you. On the back, it says reusable and easy to remove or reposition, wash and dry to restore thickness. What you can do, guys, is you can take up your wallet, all right, like this, and you can just stick this around. And this is actually what I'm gonna do inside the video. But why Bifold? All right, let me share the secret. Yeah, you can open this, all right? And here inside, guys, you should be able to put some of your cash, boom, and it's going to close with a magnet. By the way, it's not so easy to open. What about my coins? Let's try to put also some coins here, all right? Yep. Okay, this is gonna get me settled, guys. By the way, this thing here right now costs 19 USD, so you can buy this off the side. I'm gonna leave a link down below in the description. And the Mech Wallet costs 69 USD. Let's put this aside for a moment, guys, because it's time for me to test the Mech Wallet. Oh my god, this is just amazing, guys. I think I can do this all day. All right, let's do the card test. I'm going to install 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cards, guys, and I have another one, like a 7th one, but I think it's going to be an overkill. So let's just try actually with 5 cards. All right, so how does this thing work? As simple as this, guys. I'm just gonna put all the cards like this. All right, 2, okay, 3, 4, and I'm gonna use this thing here as the last card because this is my payment card. Now the first test is, guys, is it gonna stick? Okay, yeah, you can see I'm applying a lot of efforts here. Absolutely. And now, guys, how does this thing work? As magic, guys. So sweet. Boom. I can take my payment card, buy a flat white, my favorite coffee drink. Boom. As simple as that. Remember, if I want to use this thing here, I can stick it to my Mech Wallet. I can carry some money around, but what I would like to do right now is I want to install the Bifold module. Okay, so we have basically 2 options, guys. Those are my cards. So I can align this to open like this from here, or probably the best thing for me is to do it like this. So right now I have my cards, boom, here I'm gonna have my coins and 1 additional card. Let's try to put it there, by the way. Okay, will it fit? Oh yeah, it does. So now the biggest question is, should I do it like this and open it from here, or should I do it like this? Yeah, you know what, I'm gonna go with this style. Let's try to do this, by the way. So I'm peeling this thing off. You are allowed to reposition this, guys, but you need to wash it. Honestly, the moment I stick it in, I just want to use it like this. So I just hope that I perfectly align it. All right, let's hope that I did it the right way. What about now, guys? Boom. 5 cards here. Whoop. The 6th card is here, and I can go to the car wash, and yeah, I don't have anything. So let's try to put some money there. I'm going to put 20 euro, and I'm going to put some coins. Boom. It sticks with a magnet. Is anything going to fall off? No. All right, now what about my coins? They're here, safely attached with a magnet. Additional card here and 5 cards here. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's try to use 6 cards, guys. So I'm gonna put these 5 cards here, and I wanna check if there is room for another one. By the way, if you feel a lot of pressure, don't do this. Now, I was able to put 6 cards in. Yep. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cards, 7 cards here, and then with the bifold, some banknotes and some coins, guys. By the way, guys, I can totally see myself wearing this. All right, this is gonna be cool, by the way. I'm not a big fan of pop-up wallets just because I was never able to use coins and banknotes, and of course there are some hybrid options, but they're gonna like stick around, and that's not ideal. And I really hope that I've aligned this thing perfectly. If not, I have to reposition it. Let's try to weigh it together with the bifold module. All right, and with the coins, 100 grams, that's not bad. This will be my regular wallet right now. Okay, 100 and yeah, 144. I have a bit more coins and cards inside. And now I've seen that I did not align it so good, so I want to reapply this. But I can tell you guys, this thing, oh my god. Whew. This is very, very heavy. Now let me concentrate. I want to do it a second time and I want to like perfectly align all of it. So let's hope that this time I'm going to do it better. All right, let's cross the fingers. All right, is maybe a bit better. No, not yet. No, I'm gonna try until I get it, guys. I just want this to be absolutely flawless. Okay, and maybe I have an OCD, but I just want this to be flawless. Let me try to do it again. Okay, now. Yep. Okay, this is far better, guys. You can see I was able to align all the edges here, here as well, here as well. And now let's do the RFID test. I'm gonna take a card here. Again, this card is expired, guys. Don't try to read it. I'm gonna approach it. Boom, I was able to read it. I'm gonna put this card as the last one. And the last card is usually the easiest one to grab, so I grab this one. By the way, it's a good test. What if I want to grab the second card? Oh, okay. It's gonna be a bit tricky if you have big hand like me, but all right, yeah, absolutely. I can still access them. And now let's try to read the card while it's inside my wallet. So for this test, guys, I'm going to put the card here at the first place, all right, so that I know it's here. Let's try to read it right now. Okay, no. So I'm gonna take it out one more time. Yep, absolutely readable from here. Now let's put it at the last place and let's see if I'm gonna be able to read that again. Honestly, I don't expect this to work because again, it was already protected. Yeah, we have protection. So now let's do a recap, guys. I have here my many cards, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know that I can put 6 one if I want. All right, let's actually try to do this. So I have 6 cards and actually one of them is embossed. So I would say 6 cards is somewhere like around the maximum. If your cards are thinner, maybe you can do 7 or 8. Okay, 6 cards, not an issue at all. And then here, guys, boom, the bifold will keep my banknotes and also my coins. This is something very cool, guys. Honestly, I will want to try to give this thing a chance because again, it's so slim, it's so light. And besides the bifold, remember guys, there are other accessories. So I can as well use the paper clip, which is not my favorite. There is the bifold module, again in all colors. There is also a MagSafe module, guys, that you stick on the back and it will allow you to boom, stick it up your phone. This thing here is a Pixel 10 Pro. It has Qi2, it has magnets, but I don't have the MagSafe module. And there is also an AirTag module, guys. Boom, put an AirTag here. Don't worry, you losing your wallet. Honestly, this is an impressive piece of tech, guys. I'm saying tech because the attention of the detail, all right, you can see with these elements here, is just really so cool and so much different from all the others. And remember, guys, there are 2 more options, a silent one and a magnetic one. So I will try to give this a chance, guys. And by the way, if you enjoy this product, yeah, I'm gonna leave a link down below. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Stay safe, VST over and bye.